Meaning of Green Beret.
Green Beret.
Green Beret.
Green Beret.
Green Beret. Green Beret is a nickname for the United States Army Special Forces, an elite group of soldiers trained in unconventional warfare, language and cultural skills, and specialized tactics. The term Green Beret comes from the distinctive headgear worn by these soldiers, which includes a green beret, symbolizing their elite status and unique skill set. Since their inception in 1952, the Green Berets have been deployed in a variety of conflicts around the world, including Vietnam, Iraq, and Afghanistan, and have earned a reputation as some of the most highly trained and effective soldiers in the world.